Did you know that Disney has a hidden gem on the Carolina coast? Well, today we're taking you on an exclusive tour of Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. It's a charming, rustic retreat filled with Disney magic, southern hospitality, and incredible island views. If you're looking for a Disney experience without the theme parks, this is the place for you. Nestled right here on Hilton Head Island in South Carolina, this resort blends classic Disney charm with laid-back beach vibes, and trust me, you're gonna love what's in store. Before we dive deep into the Hilton Head Island Resort, we have to get checked in at the Live Oak Lodge. For those of you who are wondering, yes, pin trading is a thing here on property. In fact, there's a couple of boards, one of which is right as soon as you check in. The Live Oak Lodge is not only going to be the place where you come and check in and get your room number, this is also going to be the hub of everything relaxation here on property. There's plenty of places to sit and hang out. They have a fireplace that gets going in the wintertime. There's even an office space where you can sit and get some work done if you need to. But the crown jewel is out back, where they have a nice hangout overlooking the intercoastal waterways. Though this island resort is large in size, it is relatively small in accommodations with 123 rooms. Approximately 21 of those are deluxe studios, 21 of those are one-bedroom villas, 76 of those are two-bedroom villas, which we just did a video on, go back and check it out, and then 5 of those being three-bedroom grand villas.
Since we're in room 26, right outside of our door, we have bocce ball and hammocks and checkers and a grill all directly outside of a room, and it's all free. You just come out and play whenever you want. Also here in the Hilton Head Resort, they have bikes for rent and they're everywhere. You can take it, you can ride all over Hilton Head. Hilton Head is a pretty small island. It is all extremely bikeable. The trees and everything, the shade is beautiful. All the beaches they have are beautiful. So it's encouraged to get a bike and go just have a good time. Go check it out.
Moving into the heart of all of the action here on the resort, the pool area.
Right here next to the pool, you also have cornhole you can just pick up and play. They have shuffleboard. They have a nice fire pit right here that you can just roast marshmallows and do all kinds of stuff at the end of the day. They even have a pier, which you can go out and you can fish off this pier if you want to. And it is absolutely spectacular.
The pool area here on Disney's Hilton Head Island is incredible. This is where all of your crafts and activities are going to be. Every day they have a sign that shows what sort of activities you have throughout the day. This is also where the Broad Creek Mercantile is, so it has all of your Disney merchandise that you could ever want. This is also where you're going to find your second pin trading board. This area also has Bend and Stretch, the on-resort fitness center. This is also where you're going to find Tide Me Over, which is the on-property restaurant, and it is incredible. All of the food they make here is amazing. And of course, the pool area, just like anything else Disney, is spectacular. They have a kiddie area, a slide, huge pool, and of course, a hot tub for the adults.
When staying at Disney's Hilton Head Resort, you actually get access to 2 different resorts. I mean, sort of. Disney has the Hilton Head Resort, but they also have the Palmetto Dunes Beach Park house, which is really cool. You can stay and look at the marsh on the Hilton Head Island Resort, or you can come over here to the beach house, just a quick maybe 5-minute drive down the road, and you get beach access, and it's excellent. Let's go check it out. Here at Disney's Beach House, they have a restaurant, a nice pool area, an area to hang out and just watch a little TV, get away from the noise a little bit. But then there's also a boardwalk down to the actual beach where you can get some beach chairs and hang out for the day. This beach house is absolutely spectacular. The shading that it has, the vibes, the music, it's really calm. It's the calmest Disney pool I believe we've ever seen. I mean, there's almost no one here. As far as Disney is concerned, this is the most relaxed, chill vibe we've ever experienced. So we highly suggest coming out here.
Let us know in the comments what you think about this resort. We think it's incredible. We can't wait to come back. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.